My name is Kathleen Hansen, and you've found my Warm-Ups with Kathleen YouTube channel. I am very excited about today's set of warm-ups that have orchestrated accompaniment. This warm-up has been months in the making, and I hope that you enjoy it. Make sure to check out the information below this video for my latest announcements and project updates. Before we begin singing, take a moment to align yourself and take a few low, slow breaths. Do this both as a reminder of good breathing technique and to calm your mind to focus on singing. For this first warm-up, we will glide. You can use a lip trill or sing on the letter V or any other semi-occluded sound that works for you today. It goes. Here we go. Next, we'll sing on ha ma ma ma, like ha ma 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 ma. Here we go. Ha ma 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 ma. Ha ma 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 ma. Ha some energy and efficiency, we'll sing now on Eee-ae. It sounds like this. Eee-ae. Your turn. Working now within a fifth, let's do a little bit of interval work on Nee-oh. We can sing. Nee-oh, 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 nee-oh. Here we go. Nee-oh, 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 nee-oh. Nee-oh, 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 nee-oh. working now on a coordinated onset, flexibility, and a balanced register shift. Let's sing on ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. Like ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. Here we go. Ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. Ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. Ki, ke, ka, ko, ku. Ki, ke, ka, ko, Let's focus on smooth and accurate singing as we sing Zee Zah Zoo. It sounds like this. Zee Zah Zoo. Zee Zah Zoo. Zee Zah Zoo. Zee Zah Zoo. For this next exercise, let's sing on Vih-dee, Vih-dee, Vih-dee. Keep the air moving gently and steadily as you focus on keeping the jaw and tongue relaxed. Vih-dee, 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 Vih-dee. 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 Vih-dee, 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 Vih-dee. Vih-dee, 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 Vih-dee. Vih-dee, 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 Vih-dee For this smooth and rhythmic exercise, we'll sing on a bright new, 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 moving to an ah. It sounds like this. Again, that's Moving now to a full octave arpeggio, let's sing Zee Ah, like Zee Ah, Zee Ah, Zee Ah, Zee Ah, Zee Ah. finish up today with a Rossini scale. I'd encourage you to experiment with different sounds on this, like ma or gi, nay, or any open vowel like oo or ah. It sounds like this. Thank you so much for singing with me today. I hope you enjoyed these orchestrated vocal warm-ups. I also hope that you'll give this video a like and share it with a friend if you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you'd like to be notified each time I publish a new video, click on that notification bell as well. Even though they had no piano to climb on this time, Sven and Olaf say hello, and they hope you're singing a little every day.